Today on The Right Time, we're going to organize our thoughts by writing some fun listicles. Some of you might be wondering what a listicle even is. There is a chance, though, that you read one before and didn't even realize it. The concept is pretty simple, so we'll start at the basics. Like its name implies, a listicle is a list, but slightly more detailed and way more creative. Best of all, a listicle can be about anything. Here are some ideas if you need help getting started. You can write a list of your happiest memories, your favorite characters from books or movies, things to do when you feel down, places you want to travel to, or recipes you'd like to make. Today, I'm going to write a listicle about my plants because I've been gardening a lot lately. Remember to add some details for each item that you put on your list. You can also add drawings or color to make your listicles come to life. Have fun with it. This is your listicle, so you can make it whatever you want it to be. Here is my finished listicle. If you still need some inspiration, you can search online to read more listicles before you get started. Websites like BuzzFeed have so many great examples. We included a link below to help you get started. Thanks for tuning in for today's episode. If you liked what you saw, feel free to like and subscribe so you can see more of our videos. Remember, it's never the wrong time to write. See you soon.